Good morning, Miss Underwood.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good. Sorry, my audio was on my laptop. Okay. Miss Underwood,
I have the Seidler extradition and any other pickups that you would have.
Hi, this is Judge Anzalone. Do you have a Donald Seidler on your floor or downstairs?
I have it on mine.
So we're ready for him?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
I think. Bye.
Bye. All right, Miss Underwood. Do you know, Koluzny? Okay. I'm doing Judge Olsavers too. So, Miss McGrain, do you want to see if Judge Olsaver wants to, just from his office, log into Zoom to see if the attorney for Stout logs in? Miss McGrain, are you in your office?
Judge, are you talking to Sierra?
Yeah,
She's on the phone.
okay. I wondered if you could log into Zoom in your office just to see if that attorney on, what's his name, Koluzny, Attorney Koluzny logs into the wrong one. Stout. All right, thank you. Bye.
There we go.
All right, so grab your file, sir. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Donald Clayton. Is it Seidler, sir? Is that how you pronounce it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. File number 25-22384AX. So, sir, we are here for purposes of an extradition hearing. So, let's see here. This is a proceeding to determine whether you wish to waive your right of extradition. It's a proceeding to return you to another state in which a warrant has been issued for your arrest for the commission of a felony. It is in effect a demand by another state for your surrender and to return to that state to face the crime with which you are charged. So let me see what I got here. Looks like you are charged by warrant from the state of Ohio, the Court of Common Pleas in Fairfield County with the crime of jury charge summons, no. Hold on, every county, I swear, in Ohio does people, okay, here we go. Got it. So it looks like the indictment has, there is a 14 count indictment. Count one, illegal use of a minor or impaired person in nudity oriented material or performance. Count two, illegal use of minor or impaired person in nudity oriented material or performance. Same as count three, count four, count five. Count six is pandering, obscenity involving a minor or impaired person. The same for count seven and count eight and count nine and count 10 and 11, 12, 13, and 14. So those you do not, and those are felonies in the state of Ohio. You do not, or we cannot in this court or in this state determine the truth or falsity of the charge made against you in the state of Ohio. You do not have to waive your right to extradition. You can require that the governor of the state of Ohio make demand upon the governor of Michigan for a warrant of extradition. You have the right to demand and procure legal counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint one for you at county expense. If you or your attorney wish to test the legality of your arrest, you may apply within a reasonable time for a writ of habeas corpus. That is a writ by which your custodian is required to bring you before the court for the purpose of having a hearing to determine the legality of your arrest. Do you understand the rights that I've just told you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Do you want an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes.
All right. So Ms. Underwood, I am going to open up a breakout room, and sir, you and Ms. Underwood will have a moment to speak. So give me just a moment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, here you go. I think he'll go automatically because of the room, but maybe not. Sir, you may have to click join the breakout room. Hi, Mr. Malaro.
Hello, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. What do you have today?
It says I have an arraignment. Dewan Harris?
On who?
Dewan Harris? You know what?
Juan Harris?
Yeah, let
Yeah,
me
it's
look.
a judge will, yep. Does he know to Zoom to me today?
You know, he probably doesn't. Let me,
You wanna give him a call?
yeah, let me reach out to him. I didn't realize Judge Olsaver wasn't doing a docket.
All right, so Miss Underwood, we are back on the record with Mr. Seidler. So how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Seidler, I believe, does want to fight these charges, is eager to fight them. And somewhat, but I've explained the situation that we can't assess the charges here. So he somewhat reluctantly is agreeing to waive his right to a writ of habeas corpus and go back to Ohio as soon as possible and fight these charges, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Seidler, do you understand that we make no determination on guilt or innocence? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we don't have jurisdiction over the alleged offenses. So obviously to fight them, that would be something you will do in the state of Ohio, okay?
Okay.
But what you have a choice here today, like the only thing I can determine is if you are Donald Clayton Seidler and if the charges against you are felonies in the state of Ohio. You have acknowledged you're Donald Clayton Snyder or Seidler, and that we have determined that these are valid charges under the law in Ohio. But, you know, we don't make a determination of whether you're guilty or innocent. So you fully understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So do you, Miss Adams, or do you have your paperwork, your waiver paperwork in front of you, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, Miss Adams, could you call the jail and tell him he needs his waiver paperwork?
Yes, yes, Judge.
All right, give us just a moment, Mr. Seidler. Miss McGrain, can you hear me? Let me know when they bring you the paperwork, sir.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry.
I said, okay.
Okay, thank you. Hi, what's your name, please? Have you talked to Mr. Goldstein? No, you retain him though? You want to go give him a call? Okay.
Some paperwork for you to sign. All I need to do is sign right here.
Okay.
All right, so there's gonna be like 3 or 4 copies and I need you to sign each one of them in the middle. In the middle, there'll be a line for you and a place for the date. Today is August 20th. So you'll need to sign each copy and date it.
Right here.
Yep. Nope, we still got one more. And then you're all set.
All right, thank you.
Okay, great. Sir, do you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you swear that the signing of those papers is your free act and deed for the purpose of waiving extradition?
Yes.
All right, well, good luck to you, sir, and thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. You're all set, you can go. On a call for Bradley Brown.
Your Honor, do you have anything for me?
Yes, Bradley Brown is a pickup on a VOP.
Okay, let me look.
Hi, do you have Bradley Brown up there or downstairs?
1 second. It's gonna be downstairs.
Okay, I'll call down there, thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Hello, Cisco Unity connection messaging.
Hey, this is Judge Anselm. Do you have a Bradley Brown?
Oh, yes, I do.
Can I see him?
Yep, give us just a second. Magistrate is finishing up their last one, and then we'll throw him in for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Miss Adams,
Yes, Judge.
can you call Mr. Goldstein and see if he's available for Mr. Rosenberg?
Yes.
Thank you.
If not, Your Honor, I don't think we're gonna do anything.
I can't hear you.
If not, Your Honor, I don't think we're gonna do anything more than I have.
Right. I have to give him I know it's short notice, so he may be double booked, but we're gonna try.
That's what it was. I think he said that he had some.
All right, why don't you come up to the podium? Okay, this is in the matter of Zachary David Rose, stand at the podium, stand right there. People of the state of Michigan versus Zachary David Rosenberg, file number 23-21322 FC. Mr. Rosenberg, you had indicated you were represented by Mr. Goldstein. He did appear, I think, the last time. I think he did. And so today was just a probation violation pre-trial. Have you reported to Darren Costa as well?
Yes, I talked to him yesterday as soon as I got out.
Okay, and Mr. Coast, are you gonna meet with Mr. Rosenberg today? Do you need him to go to the hallway?
No, Judge, I actually met with him the other day and set him up with drug testing. And so he does have his GPS tether on, so we're good on my end.
Okay, okay. So, Mr. Rosenberg, we had entered a plea of not guilty and you talked to Mr. Goldstein. You said he is not gonna be able to be here today?
He said he had somebody else at 8:30, so I don't know how long he's gonna be.
Okay, okay. So we can wait. It's no problem. Or do you want me just to get another date?
We can just get another date, like I said, because the other two charges I haven't been charged with.
All right, so Miss Adams, could I get a date about 30 days out? And then I'll need a notice of hearing for him as well.
Are you looking at a Wednesday, Judge, or?
I guess I can do it. Never mind, I got paperwork. Let's do September 17.
Yep.
No, I got too many that day.
That's the same day.
Hold on, how about September 24? At 8:30 in the morning.
That's perfect.
All right, so Miss Adams, can I get a notice of hearing for September 24 at 8:30 in the morning?
Okay.
All right, so have a seat behind you and we'll get you a copy of that notice of hearing and you'll be all set, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Malaro. Judge
Yes,
Olsaver has indicated no one's in his waiting room. He did open it for me just to make sure.
Okay. I called and left him a message, Judge, if we could wait a few minutes.
Sure.
And I don't see where we sent him a letter about which judge. So
Okay.
let's give him a few minutes if you wouldn't mind.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Miss Adams, oh, look at you.
Mr. Roseman?
Thank you, Mr. Rosenberg.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too. Mr. Malaro, he hasn't appeared. Why don't we just set it over to September 3rd and give you time to renotice it? Mr. Malaro, okay. Right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nancy Elizabeth Stout, file number 25-22372FH. Ms. Stout is represented by attorney Kolesny. Neither of them have appeared, and I don't know if there's been some mix-up because of me handling Judge Olsaber's arraignments and pretrials. So I'm also going to adjourn that one out to September 3rd at 8:15 in the morning. And we will have Francis Clark do notices appearing. All right.
Any 15, Judge, you said?
Yes, he does.
Thank you.
Are you Brandon Brown? Bradley Brown?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Bradley Dwayne Brown. File number 22-20742FH. So we have that file, which is a bench warrant for failure to appear for a violation of probation pretrial on July 27 of 22 at 8:15 in the morning. That being a contempt of court carries a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail. And then there was the underlying, let me find it here, violation of probation. That is, let me find it. Let me get back there. Well, I don't see. Hold on. I think this is, I don't see a Bob. Held in contempt. Hold on. Failed to appear for a VOP pretrial. Rhonda Underwood, there, I think that
see.
Hold
I
on,
don't
Rhonda.
see a
Rhonda,
underline.
Rhonda, hold on, Rhonda. There is no BOP because this case hasn't been pled or sentenced yet. So the paperwork was just wrong. So it's not a BOP pretrial. It's just failure to appear for a pretrial conference. So, sir, do you understand that carries a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and we have Rhonda Underwood present here today. She is actually the attorney on the underlying file. So, Miss Underwood, do you want to break out room with him?
Yes, please.
All right, so I'm gonna open up a breakout room and like talk to Miss Underwood. And we'll see if we can reach Miss Brenner or whoever the AG is. Right, there we go.
You've reached the desk of Tammy Knizel. Oh.
This is Jake.
Hey, Mr. Vasquez, this is Judge Anzalone. I'm trying to reach Tammy Knizel. Is she down there? Do you know?
Very good question. Let me look.
I've called her phone, but I didn't get a response.
Don't show she's not here. She should be.
All
I
right.
can walk down and check, or can you get help on it?
Well, I need to know if payments were made on a child support case.
You have docket?
Well, let me see. I have a felony docket. So let me see if I have the child support docket. It looks like it is 18-45857DS.
Mr. Brown?
Yes. Yep, yep.
assessments are coming in.
Okay, full amount?
Mostly, yes, looks like.
All right, thank you very much.
No problem.
Bye-bye. Miss Adams, I had printed off a bunch of search warrants. Can I have them?
Of course.
Thank you. Miss Underwood, I just wanted to tell you that I was able to verify with the front of the court that payments are coming in. So I just wanted to let you know that.
Yes, Your Honor, it's amazing. He is on income withholding from McCullough Meats in Hudson, Your Honor. They arrested him at his house. He hasn't moved. I realize this is 3 years old, but this is a rare case where I'm going to ask you to enter a not guilty plea on my client's behalf, set it for a pretrial with Judge Olsaber, and allow my client out on a PR because he does not want to lose his job and stop income withholding, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Brown, your saving grace is that payments are coming in for child support. Remember, you need to be paying extra too. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because not only do you got to make your monthly payments, you got to pay down your arrearage. And if you don't pay down your arrearage, I don't know how the AG will deal with that, especially since you failed to appear for a pretrial, which you knew you had to. So I'm going to release you on a PR bond, and I am going to set a pretrial conference. Hold on one second. And it's Judge Olsaber case. So let me find his dates. So I'm going to set a pretrial for September 24 at 8:15 in the morning. And Mr. Brown, I realize you're working full-time, but that's great. You got to make sure you're making your minimum payment. And if you're not, out of your income withholding, you need to pay extra, but you also need to be paying down the arrearage, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna release you on a PR bond, and your next court date is September 24 at 8:15 in the morning. Now, Mr. Brown, you also failed to return a questionnaire for jury duty.
Yes.
And so
I did not know. Go ahead.
did you already fill one out at the jail?
No, ma'am.
All right, we're gonna send that over to be filled out, and you gotta go to work today?
No, I'm lucky. I'm actually on vacation this week.
Okay, so here's what I want you to do. When you get out of the jail, I need you to walk over to the courthouse. I need you to ride the elevator up to the 3rd floor. Right across from the elevator is the clerk's office, and I need you to fill out the jury questionnaire paperwork, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll quash the bench warrant. I'll quash the bench warrant on that too, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Brown, when you get out, give my office a call so we can have a telephone conference and update your circumstances and see what we need to do to get things moving for you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Very good, Mr. Brown. If you miss the next court date, they won't let you out of jail, all right?
Will not do.
All right. Thank you. All right, Mr. Malaro, what is your name, please? Yeah. Pamela Bates. Ma'am, your arraignment was waived, so you didn't need to come today. Just reach out to Mr. Castleberry. He had you sign a waiver of arraignment, so you didn't need to show up today. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, is there anything more for me?
No, Ms. Underwood, I'm all set. Thank you very much. Mr. Malaro, I'm gonna adjourn your hearing to, let me see here.
You know, Judge, he has a pretrial on another matter next Wednesday. If we could adjourn it to then, that would be perfect.
On, front of Judge Olsaber?
Yes.
All right, so do I have that date? All right, we'll change it to August 27 at 8:15 in the morning. All right,
Yep. Thanks, Judge.
all right.
Which
That
case was
concludes our-
that, Judge? I'm sorry.
Dewan Harris. I
Okay.
originally had said September 3rd, but
Yeah.
Mr. Malaro wants that date.
Oh, well, I have, well, maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. I have a pretrial on a felony for August 27th.
That's fine. So I'll set it for that day. All right, that concludes our criminal docket. All right,
All right,
thank you,
thank you,
everybody.
Judge. Yep.
Thanks. Thanks, Miss Holly.
Yep.
All right, I am done for a little bit.